Let's talk about TFSA contribution limits. How much can you put in your TFSA? And if you don't use all of your contribution room in any given year, that unused room carries forward forever. So let's say you max out your TFSA in 2025 with the $7,000 contribution. In 2026, you'll have a total of $14,000 worth of contribution room. And if you ever over-contribute to your TFSA, the CRA will charge you a penalty tax. So make sure to keep track of how much you've contributed to your TFSA each year. Want to dive deeper into the TFSA and snag some cool Canadian tax tips? Hit that subscribe button and stick around. Catch you next time. Just a quick heads up, this is all for your info, not financial advice.